Hello, I'm Gina Ferrari. I'm a British textile artist and tutor. I specialise in machine embroidery, but my teaching experience goes back a long way before that. I trained originally as a maths teacher, believe it or not. After having my family, I then discovered machine embroidery, which I totally fell in love with. It's a way of drawing with a sewing machine. And from that, I then went on to teach. And so teaching machine embroidery has been what I've done for the last 20 odd years. I love fabrics, I love threads, I do hand stitching, I do all sorts of textile arts. I knit, I crochet as well. And very recently I've just discovered block printing with Jamie Mason and Colouricious. And I've loved being able to incorporate the block printing with my machine embroidery. I've done appliqué, I've created book jackets, and another little project I've recently done is this bag. And here I really use the blocks in a very specific way, placing them carefully. So here I wanted a row of these lovely flowers, and then I've used this particular block to create a border. And then I thought about the elephants. I wanted the elephants walking across the bag, and so I've used this block here. So everything was very carefully thought out. And then I've used my machine embroidery to free quilt. So it's a type of quilting, but it's also a type of machine embroidery. And I've used the outlines of the block prints to guide where I've stitched. So it's quite a simple technique, but I think very effective. And on the other side, I've done the same sort of thing. I've got elephants again, but this time I've pieced fabrics together, all hand-dyed fabrics, combined with my machine embroidery and the block printing. So I hope you can tell by my enthusiasm how much I love teaching. I would love to come to your group and teach you. There are groups all over the country. I go to embroidery guild groups, private groups. You could just get a group of friends and hire a church hall. I'm more than happy to come and teach any of these techniques. And if you'd like to get in touch, you'll find all my details below. Thank you.